Hello guys, so welcome to KO tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this exhibition stall over here. So few things are left out in the modeling. Let's continue that. So first of all, let's go over here and take a cylinder for the table. So I'll go onto the top view over here and let's just take a cylinder and increase the radius, increase the sides, convert to editable poly, select the edges, and let's give a bit of chamfer over here. So slightly just push it up till here and select the polygons, give a bit of insert and extrude it down. So slightly I'll scale it. After that, let's take a line over here. Let's take a line tool. Go into rendering, enabling viewport, make it rectangular and increase its length a bit and reduce its width. So now I'll select the vertices and let's give a bit of fillet. So I'll add a bit of fillet to it. After that, go again onto the top view, take a box, or you can take a chamfer box, increase the height, and slightly shuffle this up, reduce its height, increase the fillet, and again go over here, take a line tool. I'll make it as radial, like this. So increase its thickness over here. And copy this a bit over here. So go to the top view, the front view. We'll select this. We'll definitely scale it afterwards. I'll go into this view. I'll again take a line tool. push it over here, duplicate it, select this, scale a bit, and keep it in this way. So again select this. So now I'll select convert to editable poly. I'll go into the edges and I'll remove this one edge. I'll just select the loops. Select this and let's just group this over here. After that, I'll just mirror it in x-axis over here. So I'll slightly rotate it in 90 degree. I'll set to 90 degree over here and I'll rotate it in 90 degree. So select this whole thing and make a copy of it. Keep this over here. So you can go into the top view, slightly rotate it over here. That's it. Save your file again. So take a cylinder over here. Take a taper modifier, convert to editable poly, select the polygons, insert it, and let's give a bit of bevel. So you can just duplicate that, keep it in this way. So let's go into rendering, render setup. I'll activate this V-Ray over here. So let's go into material editor. So press M and go into material editor. And let's take a V-Ray material. So I'll just take a color over here and I'll slightly give a bit of reflection. I'll assign this. So now over here, I'll assign the same color. I'll just select this part. I'll go into the material. I'll take a V-Ray material. I'll just assign a white color and I'll give a bit of reflection. Assign that over here. So it's very simple over here. So just we are assigning a color over here. So now I'll select this and I'll just give it a glass material. So we can assign a glass material over here. V-Ray material and name it as glass. Go into refraction and you can set it to IOR as 1.7. That's it. And if you want to give a bit of color, make it a bit darker, you can just make the glass a bit darker. Can be done. So I'll just go into this, I'll just take a text over here and I'll just name it and just give a modifier that's called extrude. Go into the text and you can just reduce the size a bit over here. So save your file. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.